Hey Rush fam, so the drone is back. First of all, welcome back to the channel. Remember to subscribe, it's free. Remember to like, comment, and share once more. So it's a drone video. Alright, so this guy was in the repair shop for a while. So for a few months, close to a year, the drone has been down due to a crash. Could have still fly, had a lot of replacement propellers, but the gimbal and the camera was the problem. So when it took off, when it was in flight, the video was very shaky. 'Cause that's where it got damaged from the flight, sorry, from the crash. I did a lot of work on it because a new drone is over, a new good drone is over 1,000 US. That's over 150,000 Jamaican dollars. So I can't afford a new drone, so over time I worked on it little by little and improved the stability of the video. Still not perfect, but today is going to be in our inaugural flight so we can test out the stability. It has improved a lot. So the drone is back, it's going up in the air, and that's what this video is all about. It's going to be mainly drone because we miss the sky, you know, like a bird we miss the sky. What we're going to take an update on today is the Fosrich Super Center. So that's what we're going to look on today in terms of the progress of the work. I'll put in the comments as well the link for the first video I did on this complex so you guys can see where it's coming from. So Fosrich, Molynes Road, Kingston, that's where we're at. Alright, so that's the development over there. Very long in terms of width. So it's very wide in terms of width. That's the front. This is the old Fosrich. That's Bert's. When it was building, everybody thought it was a call center based on the design. So we'll be looking at the progress of work on Fosrich, and we'll be flying down to ITEL, which is close by. ITEL have two buildings, two call center buildings, one finished and occupied and one not yet occupied. Down by where ITEL is as well is a big land space, still prime for more development. I don't know if Sports Max still operates down there, but Sports Max had a satellite broadcasting station down there as well, so you'll see the satellites. So we'll take a glimpse on that as well. So mini drone, this is also a very big lot. I think this is owned by some church. Very big lot. Again, very nice for some development, but we know church doesn't sell their lots. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment, share, and the drone is back. I'm happy to be back, and thank you guys for the support. So let's send up the drone.